Hi, I'm E'lla Aimee of Cash is Trash, and today we're going to talk about investing a little to make more. Let's get started.
You'll also receive a stock pick from the coach, an ETF, and a testimonial from a Cash is Trash member.
Okay, guys, so first things first, welcome back to our channel.
Okay, so with this first image on your screen, you'll see the watch list, account positions, and the symbol search section awaiting either your ticker symbol or the company's name of your choice. The company we chose for this trade is not a single company, but is actually an ETF called XLY, which is in the consumer discretionary sector. Next is your quick quote section where you may enter the company of your choice. And if you look on this next screen, you'll see that we are ready to place a call order to buy XLY. Next, in the middle towards the bottom, you'll see that we plan on buying an XLY call with a $200 strike price. We will then move on to our order editor section where we will purchase an XLY contract with an expiration date of January 21st, 2022. Our order will be a $5 limit order. Our break-even price will be $205. The max profit will be infinite. Our max cost will be $500, which will not include dividend risk. The buying power effect, resulting buying power for stocks and options, then we will send out our order. On the next image, you'll see that your order was sent and you should be giving a confirmation number. And lastly, this image is a new math account overview from Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade. And as mentioned in the previous video, we will begin funding our TD Ameritrade account with $2,000 as we made a small profit of $14.34.
So here's another great stock pick from the coach. This particular company is called Beam, BEAM Global, but the ticker symbol is BEEM. And this company is said to be one of the fastest EV charging deployments. And word has it that it needs no permits, no construction work, no electrical work, and no utility bills. What? Now, in just a few days, this company has gone up over 62%, and in 1 month, it has gone up over 120%. Beam is trying to make clean energy more accessible and sustainable. They also focus on community beautification, outdoor media, energy security, and supposedly ready for any emergency situation.
Currently, they are working with government leaders, corporate companies in America, fleet managers for EV vehicles, and utility companies to try providing sustainable energy for clean communities. And word has it that their rating is 100% buy with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction today. Wow.
Okay, so how does this thing work? So you have the sun, right, that has all of this energy, and the energy charges down to your charging station. It's like a kind of like a tree-shaped charging station that your car like fits in perfectly, and it can also charge up to like I believe 6 cars at once. And once the energy hits your charging station, it hits your car, and boom, you're off to wherever you choose to go, and you have 245 miles before you actually need to charge your car again. So this is pretty powerful. So here's that ETF, Cloud, CLOU is the ticker symbol. Now let me give you some of their top holdings: Zoom, Paylocity, Twilio, Zscaler, Shopify, Salesforce, and this is just to name a few. All right, so cloud is just simply a modern day form of IT services through the internet. It also helps with computer capabilities. Also an online platform used to store data. And one thing we all love are those pictures, those selfies. Yep. You probably took a selfie maybe about 2 minutes ago. Yeah. Now here's a testimonial from one of our Cash is Trash members who actually joined the new math program. Listen to her story.
On November 23rd, Tanita purchased a call on her Thinkorswim account by TD Ameritrade for a company called Moderna with a strike price of 102. Her expiration date was set for November 27th. Once the price went down, she immediately got nervous and was contemplating on getting out of the contract the moment it hit 102. On November 25th, it began to go up, and before her eyes, the stock had gone all the way up to $106, allowing her to make a quick profit of $282 from that transaction. Congratulations, Tanita.
You know, I will say that I'm very proud of this Cash is Trash member for actually stepping out and just investing. She came to one of our classes and she listened. She went home, she did her homework, she studied, and here she is making money in the stock market. I'm just like many others. I did not believe in the stock market. I thought it was just for rich people. Yeah. I thought you had to have a whole lot of money to make money. I thought you had to actually come from money. Might I add that when I first began, I would hear about the stock market year after year. I would hear people say, oh, I invest this and invest that. And I would simply laugh at them. I'm like, I don't want to join the stock market. I just didn't have patience for it. I didn't believe in it. You can actually make so much money in just a couple of years. It does not take much. All you need to do is step out on faith and just do it. Just start funding your account and see what happens. If the money sits in your bank account or your credit union, you may gain a small dividend. It may not be very much, especially compared to the stock market or to investing. And if you were to follow this new math program, if you were to follow the different steps that we're actually teaching, which was first funding your TD Ameritrade account with $2,000 and depositing $500 every month, and just investing, you have so many chances of being a millionaire in less than 7 years. Trust me.